Okay, well, I couldn't figure out what was going on with the inverter. So, and I didn't really like the wiring that was in the car originally, and so I decided to rip it all out. I'm gonna rip out all the wiring. I'm gonna bench test it again, the inverter and the VCU. That's it. I'm just gonna make sure that the inverter is working, the VCU is working, and I'm gonna straighten out the wiring. I'm just ripping everything out again. Yeah. So I didn't like this rat's nest of wires back here. And as I was laying the parts in, I was just kind of like band-aiding the wiring. Like I was just running the wiring any which way. So she's all coming up, boys. Yeah. Didn't want to do this, but it's hard to troubleshoot when you don't know when you don't know exactly what the issue is. So I'm gonna start from scratch. At least it won't take as long to put it back together because I already have a pretty good idea how it all goes back together. So yeah, here we go. Well, there she is. So now, Jesus. Well, now I'm gonna wire that. Take the connectors, put them on the transmission, put them on the VCU, put them on the inverter over there, and we'll see what happens. Well, that was a lot of work. Well, I don't know. I can't get the VCU, which is over there, to communicate with the inverter. Now I don't know if it's the VCU or if it's the inverter. I don't know. So I'm gonna look for one of those at the junkyard. Hopefully, I can find one, even from a Toyota Corolla. Sorry, a Toyota Camry. Uh, Pretty sure I can make that work. Oh man, that's a bummer because I thought I was making lots of headway, but no, I don't think so. So sorry guys, sorry for this, for all these slow videos, but I've been working away at this for a while, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I want to show progress, but there is no progress. It's actually, two steps forward, one step back sort of deal. Actually, this time it's like it's three steps back, but we'll see. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I don't know when I'll get another inverter, but hopefully, well, it's Monday today. It probably won't be until the weekend at least, so it's going to be a bit. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Further updates later on. Thanks.